Be a legacy builder.
If you want to become great, and if you want to go, this is personal finance. It's nothing difficult. It's just simple. It's everyday life. It's the attitude and the mind, right? But for you to be successful at this, you need four basic things. First is your goal, right? Your goal. How much money do you want to make at the end of the year? That's one, right? In the same goal, you need to ask yourself the second question within that goal. How much money do you want to invest or save, right? And then you need to ask yourself the third question in the same goal. How much money do you want to make when you retire? Maybe it's a bit too much for you because for a 19-year-old, but you're a smart lady, so I'm talking to you like you are 65 years old, right?
Mentally, I am.
Thank you. So you dream, see yourself being a 65-year-old lady. What do you want to see yourself doing? Do you want to see yourself with your legs raised and put on top of your table? Or do you want to see yourself with a stick in your hand, crawling, struggling to walk with no help? Because you know what? You've messed up your money. Your youthful age is gone because you've messed up your money. So do you want to stay young? So if you listen to Jay-Z, I like Jay-Z a lot because he's one of the billionaires the black billionaires ever. Yeah. He makes the 15 list of Forbes billionaires list, right? And why? He says forever young. You've heard his music, forever young. Yes, this is how money makes you. If you manage your money properly, you create jobs. And if you create jobs, you stay forever young. Because when you old, you replace your age with energy. And who's got the energy? Young people like you. This is why it's so deep to understand personal finance. And this is why we at PropertyAskEkow are so passionate about teaching people, predominantly black people, hopefully, to become financially free. Because only when you're financially free, you're able to help others. So everybody desires, everybody wants to help someone. Everybody's dream. There's nobody that doesn't want to help anyone. But the point is, money is the medium of all communication. And you know what? Money is the harvest of our production. So if you want to be able to reach out and help people, you need to be able to help them financially as well.
So what do you think your opinion is? This is an opinion question, not on facts. What do you think causes us to be financially illiterate?
Okay, so you know what? Honestly, I don't blame people becoming financial illiterate. I blame our leaders. I blame the school system because there's lack of personal finance within the school system. So for example, like I said, I've got smart people that were A students and now they're miserable because they're not managing their finances properly. And it doesn't matter. Listen, people will say some race are getting better salary than black race, but there are some black race that are equally getting the same salary or similar salaries and they're doing better than the others. Because
actually, like, I matriculated in 2019, right?
yes.
We were never actually taught on how to handle money at all. Like, this is knowledge we can't find anywhere.
Yes.
So I feel like once you know, you know.
That's the thing, and that is why I say charity begins at home. So your heritage, your home you come from, is so important. So if you're not coming from an environment that they create jobs, if you're not coming from environments that they're able to manage their money better, what are your chances of being able to break out of that and become financially free?
So basically breaking out of the system.
Thank you. That's it.
Be a legacy builder and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.